The first time I saw a van ladder was in a Home Depot parking lot. I figured this would really make things easier in being able to stock everything that I want to stock and run the truck more efficiently.
The new way we wanted to do service was we wanted to have everything on the truck, so we decided to look at something that had good cargo area.
Ended up working on a job site with one of your customers over in Wisconsin at a gas station, and I was given the opportunity to be able to look inside, and immediately I could envision exactly where I'd end up putting all the different products that I need to carry around.
You can pull right up to the type of issue that we're running up against, whether it be a pole light, a wall pack, a sign or anything like that. You just get right in there. You don't have to set up riggers. You just, pull your machine up there, strap on your harness, get in the bucket, and off to the races you get.
We just feel like it could be a good advantage to us in the market, and we could give our clients good service because we'd have a good, reliable truck that could stock well, and also with the other options that the van ladder has, it still works well for sign installations. It has forks, it has the channel letter option where you can set the sign on the forks and put it up on the building, so it was just ease of use.
Sign forks, lamp baskets, they've engineered all these things in there, with us in mind, and that, it's nice to feel like you've got somebody out there that has your back.